Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can dispute transaction on Wells Fargo Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is simply go ahead and open up your particular browser, type in wellsfargo.com and get into the official website. Now as soon as you've done that, this is how the interface gonna be appearing to you. Go to search bar and then simply type in dispute transaction for you and simply search the topic. As soon as you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Tap on view all search results, and right over here you're gonna find filter your results. I'm gonna go with the personal. Right, you can see manage disputes, which includes tips to travel request and prevention. You simply gotta go ahead, tap on that, and for you to find out more about the dispute and common reasons for dispute as well. And for the dispute recovery, you gotta simply contact for them, which will be 24/7 live service for you. Contact your account manager is asking for you to be doing so. So the easiest way for you to retrieve your disputed transaction would be simply contacting them, which you can directly find at the help section as well. And right over here, so you can see this is the number to apply for, this is a number to be calling, and you will be able to dispute your particular transaction. So this is the it. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.